In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the talk button on an Allen&Heath SQ desk. Hi, my name is Stijn and welcome to Sound Lab. Today I have an Allen&Heath SQ5 and I want to use the talk button on the console to talk to the artists. The console has a dedicated talkback input on the back labeled talk. We plugged our talkback mic into it. Now, how do we do this? We hit the setup button on the bottom of the screen, then we hit the audio tab, and then we hit the talkback tab on the top. Here we can select the input we want to choose for the talkback mic. In this case, the talk input, and don't forget to hit apply when you change it. On the right, we have all the possible buses we want to send our talkback to. There's a talk button on the right side of your screen. Hit that button and now you're talking to the artists. You can change the function of the talk button in the same menu and choose between the latch option or a momentary push to talk option. That's it. If you have any other questions or a topic for the next video, feel free to leave a comment down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. Bye. See you next time.